Yes, my friend. How's the audio? Not at home, but yes, that can. धीरज यार इसको वो कैसे करते हैं यार? अ, इस साइड में चैट आया and like on one side there is video. How to do that? I'm audible. My speaker is on mute. भाग बे. खो गया यार. ऑडियो सही कि नहीं? उसके लिए वेब सेटअप करना होता है इन ओबीएस. ओ यार. चैट ही नहीं आ रही यार कहीं. यूट्यूब. ठीक है. रहने देते हैं. यस. पैक्ट. ओके. और तुमको दिखाता हूँ क्या चल रहा है. वेट वेट. शेयर कैसे करते हैं स्क्रीन? डिस्प्ले कैप्चर. ओके. ओके. सीन 3.
Hey, what's
Zero.
Oh, shit. I'm audible now. Am I audible now? My friend. Oh, shit. Can you hear me? No, 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 no. What about now? What about now? Shit, this sucks. Ah, cool. Shit, I said a lot of things. Alright, so let me say that again. Oh, so for those of you who don't know, I'm studying at University of Leeds. What I'm studying, MS High Performance Graphics and Games Engineering. Well, it's a pretty nice city. Well, let me show you. Leeds, UK. Wait. Yeah, this is pretty much it. But where I live at, like, there's a lot of open space. I don't know, like, yeah, this is what the locality looks like, sort of. Well, let me show you my computer science building. University of Leeds. Shit. Once again. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Studio. Yep, this is our building. Well, okay, so I'm getting distracted. Oh, so what I'm studying is high performance graphics and games engineering, and what that is about is basically rendering, animation, simulations, what else, engine programming. If you use Blender, then yeah, well, we make Blender, so yeah, that's kind of a flex in its own. What else? And like we have 3 modules this semester and 2 next, which is like in the next semester there's just group project and what else, a seminar, and this semester we have like foundations of computer graphics, advanced rendering, and animation and simulation. Yep. And there are no exams, just assignments. Enlighten us. Oh yes, I have to figure this chat thing, bro. Fuck. Yeah. Damn, only 2 people. 4? Okay, 3 people are watching. 1 just left. Shit. So there are no exams. We are having assignments, and like we already have 2 assignments now, and like the due date is 25th of October. One is purely mathematics, and second was well, I'll come back to the first one. But so second one was like we were showed an example of like what it would look like, and it was something like you have to make a Bezier plane or something. I mean, like we have yet to receive the problem statement, but we were showed what it should look like. Look like complicated shit, but we will receive the assignment tomorrow morning. So yeah, but we have a mathematics assignment, and like you literally have to write the solutions on paper. So let me show you what the assignment is. That would make more sense, I guess. Abaya, yes, Chitrans, my friend. Sorry, my dearest, one of my dearest friends. How are you? Oh, assignment, yes. I already received assignment, like 1 mathematics and 1 programming. Both are due on 25th of October. I already circled that out. So yeah, I thought today I would do quite a bit of mathematics assignment, but I was just busy busy trying to figure the stream, like wasted, I don't know, maybe wasted or not, like 4 or 5 hours just trying to figure this shit out. Oh, I'm good, darling. I'm good. I'm very good. Where was it? Fuck, where was the assignments? Yeah, assignments. Mathematics 8. Yeah. Oh, this was like in our labs we were asked to prove the why a complex number is a field. Like it took like a couple of pages. So this is like the solution. Check if we got it right. So it was just a lab exercise. We were made to write it on like on paper. If you like, it's like if you don't write for quite a long, like when you start writing on paper, it's just so annoying. Like it's like you haven't written, your hands have forgotten how to write. So this is like the assignment. Straight up 15% marks. 50% this, 50% programming assignment, and like oh, this is like the best. The time budget for assignment is 50 hours. So like there are 5 problem statements, and like you are supposed it's not supposed, it will literally take you 10 hours per problem statement. The wordings are quite interesting, so it should therefore be done over the entire period of time. The due date will be okay. Yeah, I know. Please make sure that you start both the assignments and the programming assignments a good time. Yeah, but what, तेरे सारे फ्रेंड के नाम वाई से स्टार्ट होते हैं? Bro, what can I say? Oh, that Yeshi is my sister, not friend, but yeah. Okay, where was I? If you find yourself struggling, yeah, I am struggling with some of the stuff that I have to ask some questions tomorrow. Each of you will be sent a separate. So we already received an email regarding what the matrices and like what are the different numbers we would be performing this exercise on. Every student has received like a different set, so that we couldn't copy even if we wanted to. But one like interesting thing is like our class is like only 17 students, and we have like 3 tutors, so Hamish, Marcus and Raphael, and like so it's when the class is like 17, you just know everyone. And like we have a lab of like it's a quite huge lab, like it could accommodate around 60 people easily, and like the entire postgraduate lab is assigned to our course, and like it's just the 17 of us always sitting in the lab, and by the end of the day, well, it's just the 4 and 5 over the left, so we 4 have the lab to us all the time, so that's pretty great, I would say. And like this time the way they are doing the modules is like one module at a time. So we have 3 modules this semester, and like the way they are going, like okay, in 1 month we will finish 1 module, in 2nd month another, in 3rd month another. So the classes started like past Monday, and like we have already covered like 10 lectures on a single module. So I mean like there's a 2-hour lecture every single day, and then a 3-hour lab, and every single day, Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sundays are off. And the way labs works are like sometimes once in a while, like they would explain us to, okay, some concept that they want to explain to us like in the labs, but most of the time the labs are just for doubt clearing and like asking questions where we are being stuck. It's regarding that stuff. And okay, sounds cool though. Yes, it is cool, that's why I'm doing this. Oh, create Baymax in your lab. Alright, yep. So where was I? Yeah, I was covering how the course is organized. Yep. Okay, so yeah, and like the way our lectures are well delivered, it's like you are given like 40% of the information in the lectures, like that would help you in the assignments, and then you are supposed to try the assignment, and like you will definitely get stuck in an assignment, and like then your job is to like go to your professor, ask him, and then he won't tell you the answer, but he will guide you. He will tell you, okay, you can go in this direction, and like he will give you perspective. He won't just give you an answer, well, how it's back in India, well, you are made to think, and like they will, like there are enough gaps in the slides that until unless you go and cover them by yourself and get stuck in those, you can't do shit. So it's intended that way. How do I say? Yeah, that's a better wording, I would say. It is intended that way. And well, you get stuck, you ask your doubts to your professor, and like they will help you, they will guide you, they will get you unstuck, and then you try your assignments again, and then you go a bit further, and then you get stuck again, and then it's a back and forth of process. It's like you are getting coached. That's how I would put it. And yeah, so okay, Since the intention is to test your understanding and ability to use the mathematics, you must show all your work for every question. Failure to do so may lead to 0 credit. Yeah, these guys are very serious about this stuff. Like, they will definitely give you 0. It's not like just for the sake of saying if they have written they will give you 0. Yes, failure to do so will get you a 0. No doubt there. You should expect to spend 5 and 10 hours on each question. Yeah. So I mean, like, let's start with the second question, because this is where I have started. I'm currently at the second. I thought like I would complete the second and third and maybe first today, but I'm still stuck at second because 5-6 hours I've gone into this figuring out the stream. Maybe I'll just grind after dinner and get it done. Well, oh, we have been given like a 5x5 matrix of floating points. Let me show you. Wait. Oh, it's going to be awesome. Wait, where is it? Oh, no, don't close, baby. Wallpaper is good, right? Wait, UL, yep, coursework 2024, mother, foundation, assignments, assignment, lecture slides, assignments, yep. Yeah, this is the matrix, 5x5 floating point matrix, and like you have to find the inverse using Gauss-Jordan animation. It's so annoying, like, and like you have to calculate till 5 decimal points. It's one single error and like you will get a different answer. It's a very time taking process to find an inverse. I mean, like, finding an inverse of 3x3 is very time taking, and like they've given us like 5 cross 5 and that to floating points. So yeah, we are in for a ride. The characteristic polynomial to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Yeah, well, this is also not so well. This is doable, but again, tedious task. Fields and vector spaces. So yeah, we already did prove how complex numbers are fields, and this time we have to prove Hamiltonian Quaternions, how they are fields. Answer fast. What do you mean by that? Like, I mean, like, if you are referring to the assignments, no, I can't. I mean, like, answer fast. Like, it's a tedious process. I have to go through all the steps and like. Quaternion interpolation. Oh, this is a very interesting one. So, well, let me tell you why we need this quaternion interpolation. So, I mean, like, if any one of you is a game developer, so you might better understand it. So, let's say there's this aeroplane. Wait, let me get an object. Fuck. Yeah, I'm taking these steps. Let me tell you a funny story. Before coming to UK, this time I said to myself, okay, let's get there's this vaccine for, what the fuck is the name? What's it called? I mean, like, influenza vaccine. So you must have received it when you were a kid, but like you can get it as an adult. So what it does, like, it will give you a 6 to 7 months of immunity against cold and fever. So I thought, okay, let's get it. For 6-7 months we would be free of cold and fever, and like shit won't touch us. So I thought, like, okay, let's get it. And 3 months in UK and like I have cold. Like, what the fuck? I mean, I'm wondering, like, what did that guy inject in me? pretty sus. So I was explaining why we even need this quaternion interpolation. So let's say there's an aeroplane and like you have to rotate what's this XYZ, fuck, you have to rotate it along this axis. All right, so you could just take the x-axis and multiply by whatever the degrees is. All right, it would rotate, it would work. But and this is called like roll, and let's say they are asking you to rotate it about this axis. So this is called pitch, and let's say if they are asking you to rotate about the up axis, so this is yaw. I get confused between like which is x, y, z, so sorry. So let's so if they are asking you to rotate around an individual axis, yeah, that is pretty easy, that is fine. But like what if they say rotate about x like 30 degrees, 30 degrees roll and 30 degree yaw. So 30-degree roll, okay, this is roll, this is yaw, 30-degree roll, and how will you yaw it? Will it be like this or should it be like this? I mean, like, let me try to explain it with my, should it be like, okay, 30 degrees roll and then 30-degree yaw. So how should the yaw be? Like this or like this? So it becomes like a bit ambiguous, and to counter this ambiguity, well, we have quaternions. Like nobody actually deals with quaternions until and unless they are in aerospace, doing aerospace stuff, all animation people, which are us. So we have to do quaternions. What quaternions does is like if there are two different rotations in which like do a 30-degree rotation about one axis and like 60-degree rotation about different axis. What quaternion gives you a one single rotation about an arbitrary axis, along which if you like apply that quaternion to the transformation matrix, it gives you the exact rotation. So that's why it's helpful. But I don't know if I can, if I have slides, I can pull that up. That would make more sense. Sorry, I'm very bad at explaining. These terms are scary for someone like me. No, they are not scary once you get used to this. Wait, where were the slides? Quaternions, my dear quaternions. Yeah, is there a gimbal lock? Okay, fuck it, it's not here. Where were the assignment? Or do you know, like we have to take this academic integrity test, which is like where is it? There are like a bunch of questions related to integrity, and like well, first there's like a mini course you have to follow through that, and then answer those questions. And until and unless you complete those tests, you cannot submit your assignments. So there are like so what I didn't take the course. I mean, like I did take it last year, so I know what to do, what not to do. So I just this time I just pulled up the questions and just answered them. Answered in the way like which I knew, okay, these are the morally right answers. So I just marked the morally right options. these guys take it very seriously. Like if you are caught cheating or in an exam, well, we don't have an exam, but they have clearly mentioned if you're caught cheating in an exam, direct expulsion. Like no ifs, no buts, direct expulsion. And like they absolutely prohibit the use of AI tools, so no chat GPTs, and oh, they even like prohibit the exchanging of notes. Like you are not supposed to share your notes with your fellow batchmate, not even your research, not even like you should look at other people's how they are solving their assignments. um, that comes under collusion, until and unless like there's a group project where you have been asked to what's the word I'm looking for, to collaborate, fucking collaborate, where you asked to collaborate. Yeah, it's fine to discuss, but then you can't discuss with the other groups. So is part of Unity C Sharp. Everything is going out of my head, but still trying to understand because Quaternion. Yup, Quaternion, my friend. I think there's a video by 3 Blue 1 Brown on Quaternions. Wait, let me pull it up. It's very good. I haven't watched it, but I have heard it's a good one. What was the name? Yeah, 3 Blue 1 Brown. See, but like Quaternion, you use Quaternion basically like when there are like multiple rotations happening at the same time. So like there's this thing called gimbal lock where like you are confused how should I rotate, like should I yaw this way or like yaw this way. I mean, like the rotation becomes ambiguous in a 3D space. So to define that, well, Quaternions are pretty useful and quite powerful, I would say. And like, do you know like one thing, this is something I came to know about like a few days back only. The dot product and cross product have originated from Quaternions only. Like Quaternions came first and then the fucking dot and the cross products. 3 Blue 1 Brown, Quaternions. Such a hard name. You know, if you read Quaternions, like Quaternions seems like something is up with this shit. Quaternions 3D, yeah, visualizing Quaternions. Wait, is there a gimbal lock? Rotation, gimbal lock. Gimbal lock. Understanding gimbals. Oh, let's see.
Chances are you've heard the term gimbal lock at least once before. But what is it exactly, and how can we avoid it? What even is a gimbal or a lock? Okay. Before we can understand, well, this, we need to back up and understand this. This is a system of suspended rotatable rings, or a gimbal. The gimbal system is most identifiable in gyroscopes, but it also resembles our rotation manipulator in Maya. Gimbal rings are nested inside each other and are parented from the inside out, so the innermost ring can rotate independently while also being affected by each ring outside of it. Each ring can only rotate on one axis, described as pitch, yaw, and roll. In Maya, we know these as X, Y, and Z rotations. If we look at the gimbal's hierarchy, the outermost ring will be the parent, the middle ring is the child, and the innermost ring is the grandchild. The parent rotates the child, but the child doesn't rotate the parent. Back in the early 1700s, a Swiss mathematician, physicist, astronomer, engineer named Leonard Euler made a bunch of revolutionary mathematic equations that are still used in modern 3D software. In fact, he innovated after Euler in an attempt to not make everything Euler's rotation theorem. This is an XYZ rotation system, allowing each axis to have its own rotational curves around the use of a third rotation. Maya will try to find a new way to make the rotation using all three axes. Calling a gimbal lock is a bit misleading because your gimbal isn't actually locked.
This is not a good answer. Wait, gimbal lock. Images. Aeroplane. Let's check images. Fuck. Shit. Maybe I'll just next time I will pull up some. I'll try to like find some better video to show you. I mean, like, it's hard to visualize otherwise. But basically, yeah, gimbal lock is, to solve gimbal locks we have Quaternions. Yeah. Where was I? Yeah, there Oh, we have 5 people watching. Damn, bro. 5 people. Damn. But only 3 people have put a message on it. Okay, only 5 people. Oh. 5 people is pretty good, I would say. So where was I? Yup. At time sub-zero, the artist wants an object rotated by an angle counterclockwise around an initial vector, but at time step 100. Oh, by the way, guys, like the stream, and if you are someone who has not subscribed, please do. Makra is writing full support. Okay, support. Bro. इतना एब्रीविएट मत करो, तो मैं समझ नहीं पाता भाई. फुल सपोर्ट भाई. ओ भाई ब्रो, लाइक द वीडियो ब्रो. फुल सेटअप लॉन्डे. माय फ्रेंड, माय डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड, माय डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड. यस सर. देखो भाई, स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं, कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए, चाहे पांच लोग देखने रहे. ओ 3 हो गए. ओके. So, where was I? At time step 0, the artist wants an object rotated by an angle counterclockwise around an initial vector, but at time step 100, the object should be rotated by a different. Okay, fuck, I just missed it. Wants an object rotated by an angle counterclockwise around an initial vector, but at time step 100, the object should be rotated by a different angle. Okay. Okay, use quaternions to determine the axis and the angle of rotation. Well, let me pull up the net. So our friend artist, if Shubham you are watching, then you are this artist friend. So our friend Shubham, our friend artist, has given us a model which has an initial angle of counterclockwise 116 degrees, and initial axis of rotation is this in x, this in y, this is in z, and the final angle should be 91 degrees, and the final axis should be this. So watch, like, whatever the angle is, forget about it, fuck it. This is the, let's say, initial rotation, this is the final rotation, and this is about some arbitrary axis, this is about some arbitrary axis, and you have to find the 100th step. What does that mean? What quaternion you would apply to the matrices that would give you this, when looped over 100 times will give you this final rotation. That's what we have to find. And see, this is why quaternion is very helpful, because when it's not, these rotations are not just about normal the usual XYZ basis. Just some fucking arbitrary axis, and when you are rotating about those, defining rotation could be pretty well complicated and ambiguous, and that's where quaternions come in. I think I've spoken a lot on quaternions. I don't want to see this word. Fuck. Literally, the WhatsApp group we have for our batch, we have named it Quaternion Sufferers, because it fucks with your brain so much. Our professor told us, if quaternions are not making you suffer, then you are not understanding them. They fuck with your brains. Oh, just one person standing. Alright, no problem. Barycentric coordinates. I don't know what the fuck this is, but it's some sort of interpolation. I have to look into that. And surface coordinates and curvatures. Oh, this we will cover in the next 2 days. Then I would know what this means, but we have already started to build basics for that, which is differential geometry. Let me show you. pull up some slide, some scary mathematics slide. Ah, that will fuck with your brains. Which one was it? Yeah, was just scary. I mean, like, no, okay, we didn't cover a lot, but eventually this would be very scary. Oh. You know, last two, I mean, like, which was the day? I think it was on Thursday. Yeah, I was like, so when it's our labs are like 1 to 4, all right, and at 4 the professor leaves, like, and the professor for this module is the Hamish. Well, he's the, how should I put it, he's the most professional guy I've seen in my life, and like that guy is like a person from a cartoon character. I would say he comes very close to Sheldon from Big Bang Theory. Sheldon, but with like a bit more, I would say, compassion. But like he is literally Sheldon, the way he acts. He's, but damn, the guy's knowledge is on another level. Like shit. So I was like trying to figure out some stuff, going through slides, trying to understand stuff, and like I was literally out at that point, and like at 4 p.m. so he's supposed to leave, and I just went to him to ask a question, and he said, oh, it's 4 p.m. I have to leave. Okay, so what usually happens, even if he will say at 4 p.m. I have to leave, he just makes it makes the information available to you. He's just saying this for the official purpose. What he will do every time that he will explain you. And I was like, I didn't even register in my head when he said, okay, it's 4 p.m. now I have to leave. I just took a marker on his desk and said, oh, there's this question I have to ask. And then he stops me and says, like, oh, when I say it's 4 p.m. I have to leave, you're not supposed to do that. That was so embarrassing. I was so out at that moment, but fuck it. What can I say? Embarrassing stuff. So yeah, we are building the basics for differential geometry. If this seems a bit like wobbly to you, yeah, it seems to me too. Like, I have to still go through this once more. Wait. Analytic geometry. Yeah, let me show you some hard maths. So everything in this slide will be used at some point in time in our coursework. Okay, wait. Yeah. What? Wow, bro, thanks for sharing. I shall use this embarrassing moment against you. 4 people. Damn. Parametric rasterization. Triangles. Explicit form of triangle. Raster scan algorithm. Well, this was not that scary. I guess the first slide was the scariest stuff. I don't know. Yeah, at starting this was like fucking with my mind. Like, yeah, I have seen this stuff like in practice, but like it's too theoretical, too many notations. Complex fields, complex conjugate, vector space. Yeah, I know that. Coordinates, fields versus vector spaces. This is something I'm finding hard to understand. I have to ask tomorrow. Linear span also. Oh, this is what happens, right? Sometimes we would be asking a question to Hamish and he would say, oh, that's in the slides, and we would wonder, okay, no, it's not, and then he would pull up the slides and show us, oh, that's where it's mentioned, and we'd be like, what? But that's the way, like, he constructs his slides. He won't use any terminology that's already mentioned in the slides. Yeah. Oh, 7:30. How long has the stream been going on? Wait. 59 minutes. Fuck. I thought I was just finished in 30 minutes and be done with it. 7:30 p.m. Well, the dinner is already cooked, so shouldn't be a problem. Dheeraj Lal Vishkarma. Like, who's up? They are naming them. I don't know. Some evil bastards. Implications. Yeah, find combinations. Inner products say I didn't understand shit in this slide. I have to go through it once more. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What Rick and Morty? Yeah. I think I'll just. I'm too tired actually today. Right now the energy is quite low, so I think I'll just end stream at this point. And yeah, so any final comments or just bye bye? Okay, now I guess I'm just I'm signing off. See you guys maybe next time. Next time in the sense like next weekend. Yeah. No, I won't disappear. Bye bye. By the way, how was the stream? Like, was it fun? Was it boring? Was it shit? I mean, like, on an average 1 to 10, like, give me the feedback. Like, what do you guys think I could improve on? Audio, video, anything. Any feedback? Come on. Wow. Okay, no feedback. Well, only 3 people are there, so what can I expect? So bye bye, and like the stream, guys. And if you have not subscribed and you are still watching it, fuck you, seriously.